Okay, welcome back to our keychain project. We have our image here. It's got a back plate, but let's say that I want, for some reason, I want the ears to stick up. Well, let's say for some reason I want the ears to stick down and I want the wings maybe to stand up. To do that, just like we did for the back plate, I'm going to select the face that I want to edit. Click on that, and then I'm going to click on my Start 2D Sketch. So now I am drawing on this other face of the keychain. Unlike I did for the back plate, which was the back side, this is going to be our front side. So I'm just going to draw on top of this image right here. Let's just select his ears. Make sure that they are completely full. And then draw another triangle for his ears. Okay, and I'll hit Finish Sketch. And I want these to sink down. So I'll click on the Extrude button and select these faces. And automatically it's going to assume that you want to extrude it out. We want to extrude these inward. So we'll click on the Flipped. And I don't want them to extrude like way low. So let's reduce this to maybe like 0.02. Hit OK. And now you see that my keychain has two different levels. I basically cut into this ear. We'll do it again for this other ear here. Just double click on your extrusion 3 here. That was for the ears. If you double click on that, you already drew out the ear. So you can also click on that ear to do the same depth as well. So that's all well and good. I have different planes for his ears, but what if I really want his wings to stick out a little bit, to extrude towards us even? I'll just do the same thing. I'll click on the face, start a 2D sketch, and I'll draw the line. We'll do maybe to like his tail. So I'm back in my sketch right now. I've only drawn this line. I'm going to have to do the whole wing again, but I don't really want to. Just for the example of this, we'll just extrude out his body. So I'm just going to do a little triangle right here. I have his triangle. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and now I can extrude this triangle that I selected. We'll do that another 0.022. Hit OK, and now I have multiple tiers right there for my keychain as well. So let's say you need to see the reference image again, just to see like where you want your other extrusions to be, to have it at different levels. You can bring in your image once more. Just click on the image button and hit Open. Click it. Hit the escape button. We need to resize this image right here. So we'll click on dimensions again, make that 1.5. And then you can drag and drop it on top of your image that you're drawing on. You do need to, in this case, it looks like I need to rotate this. So let me just move it real quick. So up here at our toolbar here, I'll click on rotate and select my center point there. And my angle is 180 degrees. Oh, I haven't selected the image. So select the image, center point, 180 degrees, apply, done, and then you can move it by clicking on the move button. You can just hit done. You don't need to really do the base point. As long as the move button is selected, you should be able to drag and drop. So just move it over your face that you're trying to extrude, and now you can trace over all the objects that you want to extrude. So I can follow along right there, hit the Finish Sketch button. And if you want to hide your image again, the visibility of it, you can go here to the left, right click on your image and uncheck the visibility button. And that's how you just reference if you want to extrude certain parts of your keychain that you've already extruded. In which case now we would click on like extrude, and I want to extrude this out like 0.02 inches. Oh, excuse me, 0.02 inches. Now that certain face is sticking up. I hope that made sense. Let me know if you have any questions.